In this video, I'll show you how to remove viruses, malware, and harmful files from your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC. These are simple steps that actually work, and after doing them, your computer can feel faster, cleaner, and safer. So let's begin. First, click on the search bar and type MRT. Open it. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. Now a new window will appear. Click Next. You'll see different scan options: Quick Scan, Full Scan, and Custom Scan. If you are in a hurry, you can use Quick Scan. But if you really want to check your complete PC properly, then I highly recommend choosing Full Scan for the best result. Select it, then click Next. Now Windows will start scanning your full computer for threats. This may take some time, so let it run. While that scan is running, press Windows key plus R. Type clean mgr, then press Enter. Choose your C drive and click OK. Now wait a few seconds. You'll see files you can remove. Check boxes like temporary files, recycle bin, thumbnails, and other junk files. Then click OK. Now click Delete Files. This helps clean storage and improve performance. Press Windows key plus R again. Type %temp%, then hit Enter. A folder will open. Press Ctrl plus A to select all files. Then press Delete. If some files cannot be deleted, click Skip. That is normal. Now go to the website linked in the description. There you'll see the free antivirus download option. Click it. After it downloads, open the file and install it by following the steps on screen. Once installed, open the antivirus. Click Scan. This checks for hidden malware, adware, browser threats, and suspicious programs. After applying all these three solutions, you have to finally make a restart. And after that, you will see that all the viruses, malware infection has been removed from your PC and laptop. Even the performance will be boosted. So that's all, guys, for today. Hopefully this quick video will help you, and if yes, then please like the video. Consider subscribing to the channel so that you can get more related videos in the future. Till then, take care.